Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Become one of my subscribers by clicking on that subscribe button. You can like if there's anything you want to say or if there's any question you want to ask, you can go ahead and do that. Ask in the comment section. I'll be watching out for it. So we will be looking at GBP USD for this week. Right now, take a look at this movement. What can you see? You can clearly see that this is an uptrend move. Previously, this was a downtrend move. Price was dropping. We all know the reason because DXY was actually gaining a momentum movement upward. You can see it. DXY, this time last year was kind of like a bullish move. It was going up. So every other currency pairs against our DXY was actually falling. Right now, we will be getting more and more drop on this DXY. When you take a look at the fundamental aspect of it, you will know that DXY or our USD will continue to drop. So any other pairs you are trading to USD, we continue to see that momentum move. So we can see that this USD right now have highlighted some key levels which I would want us to actually hit, that we should watch out for. You can see this here, price has tested this level. Price once came here to test this level. Now price has tested this level, so we'll be expecting a drop. After a drop, a new movement will play out. So one thing I'll be watching out for on this GBP USD is a drop. After this drop, a new momentum movement upward, we actually break out this high. So basically, more bullish move is to come on GBP USD. So the time of entering it will be very, very crucial. Now, let me show you something because I know a lot of you actually trade GBP USD. So you need to be very, very careful. The entering point, you need to enter at the right time because if you enter at the wrong time, it will be, you're very much likely to get stopped out. Now, this DXY, there's going to be a crazy movement on DXY, a lot of momentum movements. Right now, see it right this week. We will be expecting ISM manufacturing PMI on Monday. Watch out for it. That will affect our USD pairs. Take a look at on Tuesday, we can see job openings. We can take a look at on Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment. Go to Thursday, same thing with unemployment claims, and then Friday. So basically, these news are going to give us a back and forth movement on DXY. So once there's any major news affecting our USD, then be expecting expect some kind of like confusing movements on GBP USD. Do not be surprised if it gets that movement, by the way, because this week is a crazy week for the news. So if in case you actually enter the wrong time, you are very much likely to get stopped out. But technically, I'm going to exclude the fundamental aspect of it. I'm going to exclude the news. Though the news is going to be very, very useful for us this week. You need to watch out for the news so you know where to enter. But on the technical aspect of this, right, I expect GBP USD to actually drop, then a new movement upward should actually break out this ice. This is exactly what I want to see. This is exactly what I'll be expecting. But due to the fact that there are major news coming out this week on USD, which very much likely, can, change, the movement might change. I mean, we can't really predict the movement on this GBP USD. You need to watch out for the news. So that is why I am here, especially if you are blowing up your account. You're having trouble in taking trade. You're actually, losing. I have a solution for you, which is I'm going to put a link to my Patreon channel in the comment section. Check the comment section, right? I'm going to put a link there. Sign up. In that, you'll be getting high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is what I'll be giving with you. Since some of the couple of trade we actually had last week, I'll put a link to this. You can watch it. This was actually a wonderful trade we had. One more trade was also running, by the way. So by this week, once it gets there, I'm going to share the trade with you. So if in case you need more trade set up, you can sign up, give it a try for just a month, just this April, right? After April, then you can now decide if you have to cancel your subscription or not, or if you have to leave your subscription, or if you have to go ahead and keep your subscription. So if in case you need high probability trade, then the link to the comment section, the link to the channel will be in the comment section. Give it a try. So like I said, this technical aspect of it, I'll be expecting a drop, then another movement upward. Now we can see on this forward time frame, literally a drop is playing. I expect this drop to break this lows. Or if in case the price does not break this lows, if in case it does not break it, then there will be a reversal movement upward. If in case price does not break these lows, then another movement will be upward. But if in case price eventually breaks it, then I'll be seeing it coming to this level here. Then another movement upward on GBP USD for this week.